Kaydeli Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited. Kaydeli Research, Design and Manufacture Kaydeli Brand Chiller, Environmental Chiller, Laser Chiller, Cold Oil Machine, Explosion-Proof Chiller Machine, Ultra-Low Temperature Freezer, Special Chiller for Micro-Arc Oxidation, Heat Recovery Unit, and Plant Comfort Central Air Conditioning Project. Clean Room Workshop, processing and manufacturing of supporting products for refrigeration engineering, refrigeration air conditioning system design, manufacturing, installation, maintenance, as well as debugging. Kaydeli is one of the government-nominated suppliers, certainly have obtained ISO International Certification, CE Certification, SGS Audit. Presently, we own most of domestic clients who are majored in plastic industry, pharmaceutical industry, food industry, and chemical industry. Moreover, we have exported to America, Europe, Asia, Africa, other countries. In fact, we aim to develop worldwide service and production line in the global base, so as to provide you a more convenient and better service system. Our clients from worldwide are satisfied with our after-service process provided by professional engineer team, who have 20 years experience average in chiller manufacturing, installation, and innovation. We have advantage in delivery time. Standard chiller in stock takes 2 to 3 working days, and non-standard takes 25 to 35 working days. Our performance is truly steady and up to 100% on-time delivery rate. Sincerely hope that Kaydeli is given a chance to create value for our customers and contact us now.
Welcome to Kaydeli. We can provide air-cooled chiller, water-cooled chiller, no-temperature chiller, and all kinds of water cooling machine. Welcome to visit us.